For the first feature, I'm here on Nike's page. Okay, what I'm going to show over here is when you click on the top right, you see three dots over there, and you get this option of about this account. Okay, so let's go over there. So in this option, actually it tells you everything about the account. Okay, so the date you join Instagram, the account, based on which country it is based on, the former username. So right now Nike does not have any former username, as you can see it's 0, and accounts with shared followers. So this shows accounts with similar following. Okay, now another interesting thing I found over here, which will be very helpful for all Facebook marketers. So there's this option of active ads. So over here you can see the ads run by this particular page. So over here I can see currently it's running this one ad over here. Okay, so you can actually go to different pages of different accounts, and actually see all the details about all of these of different pages and different accounts, and you can go and actually know all of these information about that account. So another interesting thing I have found about Instagram is, if you go to the settings section, then you have an option of creator over here. Okay, so over here you have normal like brand promotions and all those things over here. So two of the very interesting things over here is quick reply and minimum age. So these are two different things, so let me explain. So first will be quick reply. Okay, so what is this basically is, suppose you are some brand, or if you're selling some product or anything. Okay, and in the DMs you have to send the same DM to a lot of people. So you what you do is usually copy paste and send it, but over here what you can do is just save, you can just add a quick reply. Okay, suppose some message, hello, and I can save it over here with the shortcut H and just save it. So now what I can do, if I want to DM someone, I'll just type H. So here I get this option. Okay, this three dots. If I press that, I'll get the whole message hello. So you can use this. This is actually very interesting. Then the other thing, which is the minimum age. Okay, so in this is actually very interesting. I actually did not know about this. Okay, so over here what you can do is select an age of your audience. Okay, like suppose I want my audience to be minimum of 18 years old or 20 years old or even 50 years old. I can do that. Okay, and I can even add a country. Like suppose if I want to show my ads only in India, I'll just select India. Okay, so this is also very interesting. Okay, this is some feature which I did not know till now. Tell me if you guys knew about all of the features I'm talking about. Okay, and the fourth feature is, if I go to settings and over here I have security, then over here I'll go to access data. So this is, I guess, a lot of people don't know about. Okay, so over here actually Instagram is having a track of everything actually. Okay, it has a track about the profile information, like your former usernames you had, the former bios you had, even the links you had in your bio. Okay, previously you have all of that over here. Then you have the current follow request is, like if you have sent somebody follow request, you can see who have not still accepted the request. Okay, you can actually see that over here, and all the accounts you have blocked, hashtags you follow, all of these things over here. And the interesting thing is this stories activity. Okay, so over here you can actually see the polls you have, the polls you have attempted. Okay, the quizzes you have attempted, the countdowns, the music questions, emoji sliders. Okay, so this was very interesting. So hopefully you like this video. Okay, hopefully this was very interesting for you guys, knowing all the hidden features present in Instagram, or the features you actually did not know about. Alright. So just comment down below and let me know if you like videos like this, so I'll make many more videos like this. And don't forget to like the video, and don't, and if you have not followed me, please come on, follow me, so you can get more amazing interesting videos like this. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video, and until then, take care.